Hello, good morning everyone. Today my presentation topic death of the salesman as a modern tragedy. Next, these are my personal information. Table of content. First, introduction of Arthur Miller and introduction of the play. What is tragedy? Classical tragedy versus modern tragedy. Death of a salesman is a modern tragedy, and conclusion. Next, Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller was born in New York City in October 1795. He wrote the Death of a Salesman, which won the Pulitzer Prize and transformed Miller into the national sensation. Many criticized describe the death of the salesman as the first greatest American tragedy. Arthur Miller, genius, the immense as man who understood the deep sense of the United States. Next, introduction of the play. Death of the Salesman is a classical American play written by Arthur Miller in 1949. It offers a critical examination of the American dream, family dynamic, and the disillusionment that the results from pursuing and idealized versus success. What is tragedy? Tragedy, many writers written in the tragedy format in many characters, last plot in death, and many scenes was horror, and the killings scenes, and this definition of the tragedy. A very sad event of situation, especially one that involved death. It brings out the emotion during the drama such as fear and eagerness. And the last, Aristotle gave the definition of the modern tragedy. A true tragedy should be awoke pity and pawns the part of the advices. Next. Classical tragedy versus modern tragedy. What is difference of the classical writing of the tragedy and the modern tragedy? These are the diagram of this classical tragedy and modern tragedy. Classical tragedy typical have one main character, and modern tragedy it maybe have more than one central character. A classical tragedy is all the rules are follow in writers. The main character, one only main character, and modern writer did not follow these rules. Is the main character of the tragedy, and not come from this place, setting place, and other rules is not followed. And he have a infinite plot, and many have multiple plot. This classical tragedy only single plot, and modern tragedy many plots. Next, death of a salesman as a modern tragedy. Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller is often tragedy as a modern tragedy, and it's divided from the classical Greek and Elizabeth innovates of tragedy in several ways. Here's how to play lies with the characterization of the modern tragedy. Next. Common protagonist. Death of the salesman tragedy and characteristics of this first common protagonist. Arthur Miller described as common people and common men in this protagonist, and follow the protagonist, and the protagonist is not comfort. Willy Loman possessed the tragic flow of the illusion and the earnest belief in the American dreams. Next. Family and social theme. The play explored the impact of Willy's choice on his family and society, making the relevant to modern advices dealing with the similar dynamic and social pursuits. Fourth one, physical complexity. Willy inner turmoil, his delusion and his mental descent are central to the tragedies. Next. Everyday setting is not single day in everyday setting in this play. No catharsis. In the death of the salesman, there is no clear catharsis of the scenes of floods. Next. And modern themes. The play addresses modern themes such as the American dream, capitalism, materialism, and illusionation of the individual in a consumer-driven society. And the last one, ordinary language. The dialogues in Death of the Salesman is written in ordinary conversational language with the characteristic of the modern drama. Next. In conclusion, Death of the Salesman is considered the modern tragedy because it despite from the classical convention to focus on the struggle of an everyday protagonist. Next. References. Next.